Emerge. To appear or come out from somewhere.
Without GPS, ironically ran out of gas and found himself trapped in the wild. Feared dead, he emerged 36 days later, running enough fuel he distilled.
Oh, I love emerging dramatically through the smoke. It makes me feel so deliciously mysterious.
Jagged. Rough and with sharp points.
This is my world. Harsh, jagged, freezing.
On the other side is a 30-foot drop onto a jagged rock bed.
Linger. To take longer than usual to leave or disappear.
Why do you linger here when there is no hope?
The muted lament of a trombone resonates through the fog, which lingers even now, months after the attack of the fog monster. With but one hope.
Ambush. A sudden attack on someone by people who have been hiding.
Bounce me around to make sure I'm not followed, then walk me into an ambush and kill me.
Okay, boy. This is that snooty supermarket all the celebrities shop at. You're gonna help me ambush them. Look at this place.
Crafty. Clever, especially in a dishonest or secret way.
Welcome to the Crafty Carver, home of bear-themed carvings and novelties. I am completely out.
Crafty Mexicans and your glass candy.
Defiant. Clearly refusing to do what someone tells you to do.
Defiant to the end,
The clothes you wear on stage should be a defiant statement of individuality.
Like this, Mr. Kravitz?
Vigor. Strength, energy, or enthusiasm.
But in pursuing our interest with vigor, we accelerate the dialectic and hasten the end of history.
Well, it seems to me, sir, that your hero's very vigorous feelings caused him and everyone connected with him a great deal of trouble.
Perish. To be destroyed.
If the bomb had gone off in midair, as my father intended, all 400 people on board that flight would have perished.
But after some months, the letters stopped coming, and I was certain he had perished. So I took up with a young...
Fragile. Easily damaged, broken, or harmed.
You want to go outside? Oh, why, Rapunzel. Look at you, as fragile as a flower. Still a little...
Those are strong words from a car that is so fragile.
Fragile! It goes a Francesco! Fragile! Not so fast!
Captive. Kept in prison or in a place that you are not allowed to leave.
Dave, question. If we are going to be held captive in this room because of Alvin, can we at least watch a movie?
All right.
I'm being held captive by Iraqi troops outside a bunker near the gritty.
Prosper. To be successful.
But then he remembered what his father taught him. Never say die. Quitters never prosper. And no means yes.
The wolf that keeps it may prosper. The wolf that breaks it will die.
Devour. To eat something eagerly and in large amounts.
I'd be trapped inside a huge egg, and this monster would open its jaws and start to devour me.
The last captain of that vessel lost his life, and it weren't no accident. His name was Salty, and he was devoured by Daggermouth, the man-eating bluefish. You wanna buy that?